confines of one's soul, there sits a bird of red and gold, its wings at all times set to fly. For if it does not, it will die. If set free, it will soar to heights unknown to other men, lands unseen by other eyes. And as the beauty of the universe unfolds, what joy, the pleasure then of truth revealed, limitations then unsealed. This is the Almighty's gift to you. In order for the bird to fly, the 7 deadly sins must die, and then the 7 walls will fall. The bird will answer to the call. Its wings will spread and hearken to the Prince of Peace's voice. One's heart will surely then rejoice, engulfed by love and peace and beauty, truth and right. And then the day will pass, unshackled by the things that make one's soul bird die. This is the Almighty's gift to you. This is the Almighty's gift to you.